So now let's see how we can work around with details inside of Pixlr E. So in order to add in details, you can go around into filter right here, and then here you can see detail is an option. And on the detail, there are a lot of different effects. Like you can go around with the sharpen, so you can increase out the sharpen right here, and you can see that you can make the picture more sharp. You can see the before and after as well, and click on apply. You can go around onto detail, so there's like clarity as the option, so I'm just going to go around, and that brings out the clarity in a picture, so you get the details on the dark areas right here. You can go around right here, the other option is blur, so you can blur out the picture as per what you want. I don't want this, so I'm just going to go out of it. And in the details, there are other options like Gaussian blur as well, which is a different kind of a blurring algorithm. So there's on the detail, there's like zoom blur, which gives kind of like a zoom effect onto the picture, as you can see, and you can change around the X and Y axis of the zoom as well. And then there's like smooth. You can increase the smoothness of the picture right here. So you can go around, make it smooth to remove out the sharpness in the picture as well. On the detail, there are different options like you can add amount of grain right here. You can increase and decrease the amount of grain to make it look like old picture. And then over here, you can see that there's other option right here, like add noise. You can also add in noise, but I'm just going to remove that out. Over here on the detail, you can also remove noise. So if you were to increase the threshold of the noise, you can see that it makes the image more softer, removing the noise as well. And that is how you can work around with the details inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.